Kiddo Kids. A juicy juice box, not your everyday ordinary juice box. We want a treat so sweet that every kid we meet lines up for 2 blocks. We want a juice box, we want a juice box, a juicy juice box, not your everyday ordinary juice box. We want a treat so sweet that every kid we meet lines up for 2 blocks. We want a juice box, a juicy juice box, not your everyday ordinary juice box. We want a treat so sweet that every kid we meet lines up for 2 blocks. We want a juice box. Kiddo Kids.
Hi friends, welcome to Kiddo Kids. So it's a Wednesday and I'm back, though many people might love Wednesdays, but personally this Wednesday is the worst for me because on Sunday is my maths exam and I don't even want to think about my maths exam right now. But anyways, you guys love Wednesdays, so I'm here. Anyways, I don't need to think about math right now because I'm doing Kiddo Kids. I have a new topic and stuff. So yeah, we're gonna go into the topic. So today I'm here with a brand new topic. Beautiful GK. I know it just said beautiful GK, but still. Crazy riddles and fun games. So don't worry, fun games. So don't worry, I'm here with everything together, a mix. But so without further ado, let's just get into our topic. But before that, we have a caller. So hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hi. Welcome to Kiddo Kids. What's your name?
Artana.
Artana.
Yeah.
Okay. Hi, Artana.
Hi.
Okay. So Artana, you're my first caller today.
Yeah.
So how do you feel right now?
Huh?
How do you feel right now? Amazing?
Yeah, because I once got first caller.
What?
Once I've been the first caller.
Okay, so this is the second time.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is a very weird question, but do you like Wednesdays?
Not so much, but in school I like.
Okay, anyways, Artana, reduce the sound or the volume of your TV.
I don't have any. I've put it in mute.
Oh, okay, then fine. Because I can hear the voice reflecting. But anyways, Artana,
Yeah.
will you sing a song?
I told you yesterday.
Oh, sorry, you
I
sick.
can talk properly, but I can't sing.
Oh, you're sick. It's fine. Get well soon, anyways. Again. Okay. So, anyways, Artana.
Yeah.
So, you want to talk about the topic today?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you guess what the topic is?
No.
Okay, I'll give you a clue. It's something that we do in summer months, and it can be entertaining for the entire family.
Like you go to the beach and all that?
Yes, very close, but that's like the location. When you go to the park with lots of food and an entire family sitting around and having food and talking, what is that called?
Picnic?
Yes, so today I'm going to be talking about how to organize a family picnic.
Oh.
So do you like the topic?
Yeah, nice topic.
Thank you. Okay, so what else topics do you think we should talk about?
You can talk about school days.
School days, okay.
You can talk about what you do in holidays.
Okay, what you will do? I thought of that topic, but I thought maybe we should start with it after everybody finishes the exams, and when our winter vacations is summer vacations is about to start, because otherwise I myself, if I talk about it, I'll start dreaming about it. I won't even pay attention in my exams. I'll be like, I wish my holidays came. So I'm just waiting for FAs to get over, and then I'll be like, yes, I'll do that topic
my
for sure.
FA1 is over.
Even my FA1 is over. My FA2 is coming up on Sunday. Math is the first exam.
Yeah, but we don't have like that. We have class tests and all that.
Lucky, that's so much better. This is like first 30 minutes we have a paper and first one is math. I love math, but it's just that there's so much to learn when you're in 8th.
Anamika,
Yeah?
can you sing a song for me?
Me?
Yeah.
Okay, tell me a song that I should sing, then I'll see.
I know only Malayalam songs.
Okay, let me see, just a minute. What song should I sing? Okay, I just know one line, so I'll just sing that, okay?
Okay.
सारी की फॉल सा कभी मैच किया रे, अरे छोड़ दिया दिल क्यों कैच किया रे, टच करके टच करके टच करके तेरे ना तेरे दिल ना टच करके टच करके मेरे दिल क्यों स्क्रैच किया रे, सारी की फॉल सा कभी मैच किया रे. Okay?
Yeah, you sang really well.
Thank you, Artana.
You're welcome.
Okay, so Artana, what do you want? You want a riddle, a GK, or a game?
I want to play connection game with you.
You want to play connection game with me?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So I'll give you a very we'll start playing. So the word is picnic.
Picnic.
Picnic. Quickly.
Cat.
Huh?
Cat.
Catch. H. Hatch. We have only 5 seconds each.
Hat.
Hatch. Yeah.
Train.
Train. Train. Oh my God. Net.
Net.
Quickly.
Toast.
Toast. Time.
Time. Egg.
Egg. Oh shit. G. Goat.
Goat. Toddler.
Toddler. Toddler. Okay. Rotten. What?
Rotten. And nurse.
Nurse. E. Estimate.
Elephant.
Elephant. T. Tent.
Tent.
Quickly.
Tree, right?
Tent. T. Tree. Okay.
TV. Television.
Television. Okay. N. Again. Night.
Knife.
Night.
Night. T again. T. Track.
Track. K. Kite.
Kite.
Saying everything does.
Eagle.
Eagle. Earrings.
Earring. Giraffe.
Giraffe. Ear.
Rose.
Oh my God. E again. Easter.
Easter.
Quickly.
Rope.
Rope. E. Eyelid.
D. Dog.
Dog. G. Grandma. What?
A. Apple.
Apple. E. Again. Okay. Eyeshadow.
W. Watch.
Each. Hen.
N.
Okay. This is the last
Dog.
round.
Huh?
This is the last round. Now you'll say one word, then I'll
Not.
say one word. Okay, that's over.
Not.
Knot.
Yeah.
Which knot? Spell it.
N-O-T. Not. Like we try.
Okay. Okay, knot. Fine. T. Tennis. Okay, the game is over.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Artana, you played very well.
Thank you.
So did you have fun playing? Because I had lots of fun playing.
Yeah, even I had.
I was like, E.
It was very tough.
What?
E was very common. Like we used to see a lot.
I know. E was like hundreds of times. I was like, what is E? Ear, earring, eyelid, eyelash. Okay, so anyways, Artana, I had really fun talking to you and playing the game with you. So anyways, get better soon and also call me on Sunday.
Okay.
And I'll talk to you more. Bye.
Bye.
So by our call with Artana, you probably understood our topic for today is how to organize a family picnic. So if a person out there, wants to organize something with their friends or alone, don't worry, because I'm here to help you out. So I have a few points and tips that I'm going to share with you within 1 hour. So yeah, I hope that's enough. I hope. Anyways, if you want to play these fun games with me, you can call me. And I've also added one more game because I'm pretty addicted to games, as you can tell. But before that, we have another caller. So hello.
Hello.
Hello, hi. Welcome to Kiddo Kids. What's your name? Sachin.
Hi.
Sachin?
Yeah.
Yes, I know your voice. It's obvious now because, yeah, it's just obvious. I know your voice. Whenever you say hi, I'm like, this is Sachin. Hello?
Hi.
Hello, Sachin. So, we're talking about how to organize a family picnic.
Okay.
So, if you had to organize a family picnic, where would you do it? Like what?
For example, if I put a picnic on Friday, on Thursday, morning after school, like in the evening, I plan something like whatever stuff we need for picnic. We need the barbecue chair, that we need the chips, juice, then the lunch, everything. Even near the picnic spot, there's a small river or lake. We need the tent, camping tools. Then we need fishing rods and the sand castle, everything. Then you pack up your dress. Then when you're going with the family, you take all your swimsuit, everything. Then when you reach you listen to a bird's sweet sound like that.
Okay, Sachin.
Yeah.
You said everything that I was gonna say. No, it's okay, but you said very relevant points. It was really good. Like, whatever you said was true.
Okay.
Okay, so what places did you say you want to put your picnic, like host your picnic where? Like beach, then what else did you mention?
I wanted to put in the Mamda side, because Mamda side you can put there's a beach half of the way and there's a park also.
Okay, good.
Even in Mushroom Park also, there are so many houses. Near there are one pilot house. Near there is full water.
Okay, so in general you like parks.
Yeah.
Okay, so Sachin.
Yeah.
So have you gone for family picnics?
Yeah.
So is it very often in your family or very rare?
Very often.
Very often. Okay, so Sachin, when you go for picnics, who do you take along? Like obviously your mom, dad and your sister, but who else do you go with? Only you four or somebody else also?
Sometimes I take my family, or sometimes my grandparents, my cousins or my joint family also come.
Oh, okay, that's nice. So anyway, Sachin, will you sing a small song?
Okay. Okay, I'll sing. मैं कभी बतलाना नहीं, फिर भी ऐसी कदम था मुझे माँ युन्नबी बतिकरार क्या नबी, फिर भी ऐसी कदम था मुझे माँ, तू सब है पता मेरी माँ, तू सब है पता मेरी माँ. Hello?
Oh my God, Sachin, you sang very well.
Thanks.
The song always makes me cry. The movie, I cried the entire, from the starting till the end I cried.
Yeah, he's in the boarding school, Ishan. actually he was good. He was a normal kid, but he used to not do well, and he was very good in drawing.
Yeah, he is a normal kid obviously, but he had the problem of dyslexia. That's why he couldn't write properly and everything. He used to like get it the other way.
Yeah, and that time when his father shouted at him, he didn't say his parents or direct his mother. He said to his mother that no, I'll go alone. So when he didn't stand near the stop. He went to visit the Delhi city like that. He didn't went for one day school without his parents' permission.
I really don't like talking about this movie because whenever I get like the picturization back in my mind, I literally fill up with tears. Oh my god, that movie is so sad. Like especially the part where his mom is like, this particular song is so sad. This scene, I literally cried my eyes out.
And I like Bum Bum Bol in that.
Yeah, that's like a fun song. Anyway, Sachin, thank you for calling, and you sang a very beautiful song.
Okay.
And when you call me on Sunday, I will play a game with me. Game with you. Okay?
Okay.
Okay then, bye.
Bye.
Okay, so Sachin had called us and he sang a really nice song for us, and also he talked a lot about the topic, and he gave us a lot of information, like you can't give information on it, but yeah. So anyways, let's go into our topic. So I chose this topic basically because it's summer, but before we talk about summer, let's go for a caller. Hello. Hi, welcome to Kiddo Kids. What's your name?
Kalyani.
Hi Kalyani.
Hi.
Okay, so Kalyani, will you start with a small song?
Actually, I'm not prepared.
It's okay, any song.
Okay, I'll sing a line for you.
Okay.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up the was so high, like a diamond in the sky.
Okay, Kalyani, you sang very well.
Thank you.
Okay, so Kalyani, would you like to play a game with me?
You forgot to tell me something.
Wait, 1 minute. Is it belated birthday?
No.
Wait, when was your birthday? Wasn't it?
It was in 25th May.
25th May.
Yeah.
That is last week, right?
Yeah.
And okay, fine. Leave when it was. Then what did I forget to tell you about the topic?
No, yesterday what happened at NAF?
What? I didn't hear.
What did you told at NAF?
Oh, Kalyani, congratulations! You were the caller of the day yesterday.
Yeah, you forgot that.
I didn't forget that. It just suddenly didn't click. I know that you're the caller of the day yesterday, and when I got in itself, when I started, I was like, okay, if Kalyani calls today, I have to congratulate her. But when you called and after you sang and all, I didn't click. Sorry.
Okay.
Okay, so anyways, Kalyani, congratulations. You were the best caller yesterday.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Anyways, you want to play a game with me?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, so what game do you want to play?
I want to play any game.
Any game. Okay, so should I show you something and ask you about that? Or do you want to play the new game with me?
New game.
New game. So, you know the new game?
No.
Okay, the game is like I'll tell you one word and you will have to tell me 2 to 3 sentences about it.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll give you your word.
Okay.
Ready?
You ready?
Okay. Whiteboard.
Whiteboard.
Quickly. You have 10
Okay.
seconds to think.
We use
whiteboard for writing,
Okay.
and we need a marker for writing.
Okay.
Then
Where do you use it?
we use it in school.
Okay. One more sentence.
We also then
Quickly.
teacher teach and write in that.
Very good. Okay. So Kalyani.
Yeah.
So you passed the first round. Now one more word is there.
Okay.
Okay. So your word is face.
What?
Face.
Face.
Yeah.
Okay. We can see our face in the mirror.
Okay.
Then what else?
Quickly. You have less time. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Okay. In our face we can see some face parts.
Okay.
Which is useful to us.
Okay. 2 more sentences. You could talk about what is on your face. Quickly. 5.
Okay, there is nose, eyes, then ears, mouth,
Okay.
and the last sentence, right?
Did you say about your ears?
Yeah.
Okay. Anyways, you said 3 and you could use it as 4. So very good. Anyways, Kalyani, you played the game very well. So call me on Sunday and I will talk to you more. Okay?
Okay.
Okay then, bye.
Bye.
Okay, so Kalyani had called us and she was very cute. She sang a beautiful rhyme for us and she also played a game with us, which was really nice. But anyways, let's go for another caller. Hello?
Hello.
Hello, hi. Welcome to Kiddo Kids. What's your name?
Hiba.
Hiba.
Yeah.
Hiba, you were also sick, right?
Yeah, I was.
Okay, so are you feeling better now?
Yeah.
Okay, so now will you sing a song?
Yeah.
Okay. Hello?
Yeah, 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay. I'm blindfolded on this carriage ride that take on life. Keep riding naked through the next turn. Knuckles right and holding line. So here I go, taking the curve. But I know that I'm never alone. I think of you and how you never let me go. I feel connected, protected. It's like you're sitting right with me all the time. You hear me, you're near me, and everything else is gonna be alright. 'Cause nothing can break this, nothing can break this, nothing can break this tie. Connected.
Okay, Hiba, you sang very well.
Thanks.
Okay, so anyways, Hiba,
Yeah.
you want to go and talk about our topic or you want to play game, GK or riddle?
Game.
Huh?
Game.
Game.
Yeah.
Okay, you want to play a game? You want a GK or riddle? Game.
Game.
Game. Okay, what game do you want to play? Do you want to play the new game? Or do you want to play what else game? Do you want to play what else game? Yeah, spelling a game, or do you want to play connection game? What do you want to play?
Connection game.
Huh?
Connection.
Connection.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So I'll start.
Yeah.
Fine. Let me get a word. Okay, orange.
Ear.
Huh?
Ear.
Yeah. R. I mean, run.
Net.
Net. No. 10.
Sorry?
10.
10.
Yeah. Quickly. 4.
Net.
Huh?
Net.
What?
Nest. N-E-S-T.
I didn't understand.
Nest. N-E-S-T.
Nest.
Yeah.
Time.
Sorry?
Time.
Can you say the spelling?
T-I-M-E. Time.
Oh, okay.
Quick.
Eyelid.
Eyelid. D. Den.
Den.
Yeah.
Nose.
What?
Nose.
Nose. E. Eardrum.
Pen.
Huh?
Pen.
Men.
Pen. P-E-N.
I said eardrum.
Okay. Sorry. Monkey.
What?
Monkey.
Monkey. Y. Oh. Yolk.
What?
Yolk.
Okay. Kite.
Huh? Kite.
Yeah.
Elephant. Okay, so this is the last round, okay?
Yeah. Tree.
Huh?
Tree.
Tree. Okay, eyelashes. Okay, so the game is over.
Okay.
Okay, so anyways, I had really lots of fun playing with you, and I hope you also had lots of fun.
Yes.
Okay, so anyways, call me on Sunday and I will play more games and talk about the topic and all, okay?
Okay.
Okay, then bye.
Bye.
Okay, so now let's go for a small rhyme. So stay tuned to Kiddo Kids.